Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dora and welcome to my channel. I have been so excited to share this project with you. These are bubble bath flowers. First off, they are gorgeous. They look realistic and they smell amazing. And believe it or not, this project is actually fairly easy. It's straightforward. It may take a bit of time, but I found the entire process really fun. The flowers work really well as bubble bath, but you can also use the petals as body or hand wash. Be sure to check out the description for the recipe, substitutions, helpful information, tips, and the supply list. You're definitely gonna need wafer paper, which is edible paper that dissolves. You'll need 5 to 10 petal sets, which is a flower like this, basically a group of petals that are connected in the middle, to make one flower. Use any flower pattern that you want, just make them very similar. Vary them only slightly in size. I use my Silhouette Cameo to cut out the petals, but you can just cut them by hand. Peonies are very round, so you're gonna use a round shape, like styrofoam balls, to mold the petals. Add a wire stem for easier handling. Cover the balls in a moisturizer to prevent the petals from sticking. Raw coconut oil works great. For colorful edges, mix alcohol with mica. Gently apply the mixture to the edges. It'll spread out. Add a liquid surfactant like cocamidopropyl betaine to stabilize bubbles, and add additional SLSA for extra bubble power. Microwave the mixture to dissolve the SLSA. Then add fragrance oil and colorant. Paint both sides of the petal set. Use different colors for color variation. This adds interest and contrast, and it also makes the petals look more realistic. Now place a corresponding size ball in the center and gently mold each petal around it. Push the petals down until they're perfectly smooth and make a perfectly round shape. Dry the petal sets completely. Gently unmold the petal sets. You are going to curl the edge, and it holds the flower in place. Petal sets should all be about the same size, but start with the one that looks the smallest. Pierce the center, then push it up to the knot. Keep adding petals in this way until the flower looks full. On average, flowers require about 5 to 10 petal sets. Quick tips. You can still use broken petal sets on the inside. You can still use single petals. Simply hold them in place and slide a petal set up and around them. Alternate petal sets so they're not all facing the same way. If your flower is loose or the petals are falling, use a bowl shape like a large petal for reinforcement. The next thing that you want to do is you want to anchor them and make sure that their heads are secure. And the way that you do that is you're going to take a very, very thin piece of wire, make a hook on it, like a hook, while I'm holding it in place. Also hold the head straight out and then wrap this really, really tight at the base. It only takes a few times. Now I'm gonna cut the excess off. That's it. Now it's not gonna wobble as much. You can sort of twirl it and it's not gonna fall down. Here is some whipped soap base. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of extra SLSA, yellow, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of fragrance oil. Last, add stamens to finish the flower. Well, this is actually mainly to hide the wire in the center. You can pipe some in there and leave it at that, or use paper for a more realistic look. Paint and dry the paper just like the petals, then cut strips with lots of slits. Roll the paper tightly, cut the bottom off, then place the loose stamens in the icing within the flower. Keep adding until you're satisfied, then trim the stamens. This is such a versatile project. Use the flower as hand soap, body wash, or bubble bath. Either way, your skin will be clean and it will smell great. They make great gifts. The paper does take a little time to dissolve, but eventually it dissolves completely. Okay, y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe now for more amazing tutorials.